Let's take this back to the beginning. When did it start?
April the 29th, 1985. We're in the kitchen and the ceiling light came crashing down. We're now entering the next bedroom, where a good deal of the phenomenon has occurred.
One night I was sitting in bed, and it felt like someone touched me on the shoulder. I turned around and looked, and I couldn't move.
This is an evil like nothing we've faced before.
Just gonna pretend like nothing's going on? It's real! It wants to kill us!
I'm sorry.
I thought that these type things only happen in movies.